Okay, so today is July 27. So, 11:10 p.m. na guys. So, let's recap what happened sa London. And then, we will also add the time element for us to know what market condition are we. So, let's go back to proceed to daily early. Okay, so 10 a.m. This was around 10 a.m. Okay. So, kanina, we expect na nagre-retrace na yung market. But, since, as I have mentioned, meron tayong 4-hour CB dito na nire-respect. So, supposedly, magkakaroon ng reaction dito. But, as we go even further to this level, hindi niya na-reach yung 4-hour CB. And, what happened was, nagkaroon na tayo ng change of delivery. So, after so much consolidation, meron tayong presence na so nag-break na dito, meron ng changing state of the direction. So, may na-form dito. So, this fair value gap. So, merong fair value gap dito. Let's change this. Tanggalin natin yung border. Okay. So, yeah. So, as you can see, meron ditong CB. Okay. So, meron na tayong reversal. So, hindi niya na-reach yung 4-hour CB, but going to the downside, nagkaroon naman tayo ng displacement. Down close candle siya. And then, meron tayong formation ng upon displacement, may formation tayo ng CB. Which price was reacted. So, nag-react ang price niya. So, this is 8:30. Dito 8:30. Okay. Tama naman yung time zone natin. -4. Then, so, upon checking, the market open at New York. So, nasa 15-minute tayo na time frame. So, ito yung mark ko for the New York session. So, opening 8:30. So, merong reaction dito. Actually, touch na siya ng around 8 o'clock. So, pero expected siya. Nag-retrace ulit siya after 8 o'clock, 8:30. New York market open, nag-retrace siya. And then, so i-confirm ko lang din yung change of state since merong occurrence na dito. Ito yung first is change of state in delivery. And then, ulitin natin pangalawang confirmation. Ito. Another change of state here. But, we can still have an entry in this area. But, since kailangan natin ng confirmatory, kasi itong 3 candles na to. So, itong part na to. So, merong CB dito. But, this should be the candle 1. Ito, candle 1 siya ng pinaka-recent na FBG natin, yung CB formation. So, isa yan. And then, this is the last one. Okay. Gantayin ko na lang siya. So, ito. Yeah. That's it. Yun yung completion of the CP. So, kailangan ang reaction natin is this one. Dito tayo nag-react. Ito. Yan. And then, if nag-react tayo siya, kailangan natin ng confirmation. So, upon checking, nag-form siya ng down close candle after niyang mag-react dyan. And then, so, meron tayong another change of state dito. So, we can have the entry here. But, mas maganda if meron. Pwede tayo mag-entry dito actually. But, mas maganda if ang entry natin siguro, yeah, check natin dito. So, 15%. So, let's check natin yan. Itong naka-circle na red. Let's go to 1 minute. So, since may reaction dito, yan. So, ito yung 1 minute natin on the lower time frame. So, composition pa rin siya ng down close candle na fractal form candle. So, consolidation, then open, high, low, and close. So, change of state natin. So, ito yung kanina. Change of state dito. And then, hintayin natin dito sa order block na to. Ayan. Pwede tayo mag-entry dito. Short position tayo sa next candle opening. And then, stop loss should be on the 5 minute. Yeah. So, medyo mas mataas lang ng konti. And then, so dito, maybe dito, yan. Kung titignan natin yung relative high, equal high dun sa previous. So, kung mapapansin natin siya, and then, target natin dito ng 1:2. So, ang RR natin ay 1:2. Okay, that's it. But we can also have a re-entry in this area. So, same pa rin, nandun pa rin tayo sa CP. And then, but actually, hindi ako nakapag-enter dyan. Ang entry ko ay nasa, okay, check natin. Since bearish siya, may malaki tayong, so gaya mo nang sabi, all imbalances should be rebalance. So, babalikan niyo pa rin yung mga imbalance na malaki, lalo na itong nasa July 26. So, ito yung weekly opening natin nung Friday hanggang ay nag-close nung Friday and then opening ng Monday. So, babalikan pa rin siya. And then, 8:30, hindi ako nakapag-entry dito. But, meron tayong entry ng LSGs. So, anticipate ko itong area na to. This one. So, dito ako nakapag-entry. Ito. So, let's go to the lower time frame para ma-check yung nasa week natin. So, baba tayo ng 1 minute. Dito ako nakapag-entry kanina. Yan, 10 o'clock. So, tama, 10 o'clock siya. And then, nag-wait ako ng displacement. Check ko sa Panding Fips. Hindi ako naka-Panding Fips. Ano dito? Gusto ko sanang i-open kung saan part. Hindi ko makita. Basta around 10 o'clock. Nag-entry ako. Check ko lang. So, where's the MetaTrader? Okay. Yeah. So, around 10 ako nag-entry. Check. Okay. So, dito ako nag-entry. I think hindi ko nahabol dito. But, 10 na kasi, around 10. So, dito, I think, nag-entry ako. And then, stop loss lang siguro dyan. And then, ang target area ko, kung saan ako, let's go to 4R. Actually, dito. Itong part ng may blue. Ito yung target area ko. Yan. Ito. Yan. So, may 2.8 siya actually. Yan. So, ano tong kulay orange na to? So, kung check natin sa higher time frame, actually, konti. CB siya. Yan. CB. Ay, BC. BC siya. So, yeah. Okay. BC siya. So, market maker sell model yung ginamit natin. Nakapag-entry tayo dun sa second candle ng 4R. So, meron parang, I think mag-end yung first candle and opening ng second candle ng 4R kanina. So, around 10. So, kanina nakapag-entry tayo. So, 10. Yan. Nakapag-entry tayo dyan sa second candle. And then, so, we profited 200. So, check natin yung account. Okay, so, this is my trial account sa Funding Pips. So, $5,000 lang siya. So, two-step, phase 1 pa lang to. So, ang target profit natin, mahit natin yung 8%. So, we are still halfway. So, may 51% na tayo. And then, we gain a profit of 4.1%. So, in terms of value sa dollars siya, 203.01. So, nag-sell position tayo dyan. I think, ito, yeah. So, this one, nakapag-trade tayo. Save ko lang siya. So, from, okay, 10.26. So, 10.26 siya. Saktong-sakto sa 10 o'clock na candle. Yung continuation ng natin. So, saktong-sakto siya. Ito yung proof na nag-entry ako. So, yun. 10.26 and then na-close ko siya ng 10.41. So, doon ko na-hit yung take profit siya. Yeah. Yan. So, okay. So, isa lang yung trade natin ngayon kasi kailangan dito is minimum of 3 days na trading. So, wala tayong loss sa profit target 50%. Kailangan ma-meet natin yung minimum trading days which is 3 days siya. So, 1 of 3 pa lang yung makukompleto. And then we check if pwede tayo makapag-trade tomorrow. So, hopefully, mapasa natin to ng hindi tayo nabibreach or wala tayong drawdown or daily loss kasi may maximum daily loss pa siya. So, still assessing my capability to trade and then to test out my strategy when it comes to prop firm, proprietary trading. So, yun lang. And God bless.